What? What? It don't start?
Oh my God, we're stuck here? Oh! What is it? My feet are burning. Can y'all take some of this stuff out of my car, please? I can't. Josiah, you gotta do something.
Yeah, cause he jumped rope.
No. Go. Please tell him before we gotta waste more time waiting for him.
Here you go. Josh! I'm drippy though. Josh, mom said get a mask. Drippy, bro. With the tank top, bro. Don't play with me, bro.
And they always spell my name. Don't even have a mask.
What's that?
It's a card.
She got money?
I don't think so.
Money?
Why are you recording me?
I just told you he was coming out.
It's a man bag. I would drop kick you in your spine.
Nah, she is not getting the pocket.
Look, that's a man bag. That's a satchel.
I didn't know this
I might
actually.
get that for dinner for Christmas. He likes stuff. Oh!
These are disgusting.
I'm on a diet. I'll eat it. You have to buy me salad. Joshua.
I'm getting some.
I'm on
I'm
a
getting two
diet.
glazed.
I'm going to lose 20 pounds.
Two glazed, one chocolate.
10th grade. Getting the small one now.
You want a bite?
We got the small one. First, Joshua, I can do this one.
I don't recall asking, but who asked?
You said you want your. Listen here, pal. If you don't get the camera out of my face, I'm gonna drop kick you in your spine.
Huh? Wait, let me try something real quick.
Oh!
So good as hair.
Bumble.
Who's ready to look at some cards? I'm ready to look at some cards. Got you up. Trying to get out, bro. Dang, pulling up like that. Let a young get out, man. Yo, he look like cash ass. Yeah. I'm looking at some cars. Damn, bro, look at the gains though. Oh man, look at the gains though. Look at the drip. I wish I could see my. Oh yeah, y'all could see my full drip. But yeah, not too serious, man. Here with Jordan, but we about to go car dealer shopping, and I'm trying to go real fast, dude. You know? Hey, where'd they go? Oh man, they left us. Come on. Car is beautiful, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, that Audi right there is beautiful.
I hit by that bus down.
Take a picture.
Alright.
You could be in the thumbnail.
That's a man.
Bro, I ain't burning right now. I'm turning to bacon. God, leave. Did you get inside these?
You can't
Can you get inside these? Would it make a noise if I open it?
Don't do it. So, open.
Dang, they locked it. They cheap. They cheap. That means that car's butt if you can't open it. Dang! Painted on the ground. Yo, look at this tire, bro. That joint painted on the ground. You can't open any of these cars? Dang, bro, that joint was painted.
Like the prices here.
He really be like me with his hair, bro. That's crazy.
I just need
6'10", bro. Like, come on, bro. Why can't I be that tall? Man.
Look at the monster truck.
I ain't even really feel like getting out for this. Yeah, that monster truck is nice. I like the Corvette though.
Nah, Josh, these cars been in a bad accident.
Door is open.
No, look at this.
Oh yeah, it smells good in here.
Yeah, but I'll have to be all the way. Look, I'm all the way back. Like it's a go-kart.
It's perfect.
Somebody wouldn't be able to sit behind me at all.
I don't even care if he comes. I'll stay in this car when he comes. What are you trying to do? We get bought.
Yeah. It's a 4-cylinder, 16,000. I had them in here with 312,000 on them and still sold them for 2,000.
You guys do the tags here too?
I do a 10 price. But it's got remote start and everything. It's got cold air conditioning. I think the exhaust might be a little loud, but it's not like a real big deal.
Car shopping sounds way too complicated for a young boy like me. No cap, but when I get older, you already know, I'm gonna have the fresh whip, fresh looking whip. And y'all gonna be wanting to come in my car. And I might let y'all in, because, you know, y'all my family. But I don't think I'm gonna actually let y'all in. Alright, y'all, so I had to come in the car because it's literally blazing outside. Like, it's blazing, bro. There's some heat that I never seen before in a while, bro. I'm used to winter. I'm used to winter now, but I need to start getting used to summer. But look, I don't want to really rant right now. But first, I'm about to start talking about some real stuff, bro, that I've been thinking. Have you ever, wait, let me turn it down. Have you ever, like, oh, yo, this is some real stuff, bro. But y'all probably gonna think I'm weird after I say this, but have y'all ever, like, thought what like, I can't even explain this, bro. I can't even explain it. Like, y'all know how, like, you can see people, but you just know you don't know what you look like. Like, other people could tell what you look like in a mirror. Hold on, I'm gonna explain to y'all later because they're coming back in the car. But I'm about to explain y'all some real stuff. I swear to God. Oh, hold on. Oh. I almost got my foot ran over. I know I am. I had to turn it to the wide. I had to turn it to the wide, John, just so y'all can see a little better. Who is that?
What the fuck was that?
Just make sure you go for gas in it.
New car, who this?
Nobody wants this piece of This is a piece of This is what you call. Please don't get me cursing, Josiah.
I'm blurring it out.
No.
Okay, what'd you say? Oh, I like the sound of this car.
Hey, this car nice. You gonna burn the engine out. What Josh get it? It ain't going nowhere. Let Josh get it.
My foot's barely on it. I don't know the door.
What? What? It don't start?
Oh my God, we're stuck here? What is the name of that place?
Bumble.
That Joseph.
What's the name?
That was that noise?
Yeah.
I thought that was Josh breathing.
For free.
Yo, I thought that was Josh breathing.
No, how are we gonna get back?
It's exhaustion.
Come get us.
I don't have the
Exhaustion.
Mom.
Oh my
It's
God.
called second auto. It's called second chance
Oh, it's
auto.
not my phone again. Oh,
There's somebody.
my
Oh,
God.
second chance.
Second chance auto.
Are we actually starting?
Yes, the Joseph, and then it died.
Can't be kidding me. It's not gonna start.
Dang.
Dad. Wait, Josh. I mean Joe.
Jordan, can you just chill for a second? Quick, because we don't even know how we're about to get back to the car. And you just laugh right now.
I'm laughing.
It's not funny.
On the road again. On some places that I've never been. Man, I hope that we just get back to the van. Cause I can't wait to get back home again. Might as well start going hitchhiking.
Months later.
You got your cream. The key won't even turn. Oh, there it is. It's breathing.
This John breathing.
Turn it now.
Dung dung. Dung dung ding. There you go. 2 seconds later, I turned off my camera.
Thank you.
I'll put a new battery in it when you guys get back.
Okay, thank you.
It's not like we're gonna do.
Oh, wait. Okay.
I mean, the car is nice. It's just that it don't start.
Who is that?
There's a lady in the car.
Oh my God. Let's get.
Doom.
There's no way it's inspected. We should go there.
Foot's all the way on the pedal. This John. Yo, this car like Mater, bro. Come on.
What took him so long? I probably had to find those jump zones.
Oh, you already know what they did. It was hijacking mom's car. Ma, what if your car pieces are gone? What you gonna do?
What if all the tires were there?
Yeah, Ma, what if your tires are off? Hey, free parts. Dang, her parts is on. Parts.
No, you can't park there because I gotta get out.
Let me cover the license plate, no cap. This car trash, bro. See you later, buddy. How you feel about that car, Josh?
But
Student Max. You just wasted our time, my guy. Come on. Ma, he about to talk to you. Nobody want it.
I'm gonna bring him back with his dad. I think it's better because me, like, I don't
Move
know.
away before I get out of smack.
Oh!
Leave.
Stop at it!
Leave.
Oh, okay.
Leave. Right now. I'll give you 2 seconds. 2. 1.
It's okay.
Hold on. You're driving the car down. Oh my God. I almost forgot. Leave.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you.
Alright, y'all, so back to what I was saying. Before I was rudely interrupted by the fam. So no, let me stop. If y'all can see my eyes, bro, I literally just woke up from a nap. I can't, like, I don't know if it's just me, but when I get in the car and I see like the road, like the stripes on the road, bro, I just fall asleep. But that might just be me, I don't know. But that's what I was saying. You don't know what you look like, bro. Like, only other people know what you look like. Like, you can literally look in the mirror all day. That's your reflection, bro. You don't know what you look like, bro. That's crazy. Like you don't even know what your own back looks like, bro. Bro, just think about that. You have to look in that mirror to, like, your reflection to think that's what you look like. You don't know what you look like, bro. That's so crazy. Like, I've been thinking of that. Like when I go in a video, like when I be recording my videos like this, I'm like, bro, is that what I actually look like? Because when I look in the mirror, bro, I see something different. But then when I record a video, bro, I see something different, bro. Like this is so crazy, bro. You don't know what you look like. You have to ask, like, if somebody calls you ugly, bro, you have to be ugly. Like, you can't say, oh, no, I'm not. Bro, you're ugly if somebody calls you ugly, bro. Like, when people call me ugly, bro, I know I'm ugly. Because they know what I look like. I don't, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying, bro? Oh, my God, bro. This one is so crazy, bro. I've been thinking about this for so long, bro. I didn't record it. Like, this is crazy, bro. Like, I've always been thinking of that. Like... Y'all, so I literally just rewatched the vlog that I just made. That joint was so uncoordinated, bro.
One day, I'ma have it one day. One day, we gon' get